Hey, good morning, guys. Praful here. Welcome back. Today is 6th of August. Today is Friday, and we have a minor event that is the RBI policy meet, a bi monthly policy meet. But the expectation on the streets is that nothing changes and everything will be kept as is. But still, I'm not taking a big risk. That's why I've kept my quantity at one third of my usual quantities, usually 4,500 quantities per kill. Just because there is an RBI meet, the option prices are likely to shoot up, right? The option prices are likely to shoot up, and because of which I don't want to see. This is one way of the playing whenever there is an event. क्या हो सकता है? The event might be totally mum. There can be absolutely nothing from the event, and इस इवेंट के पहले यूजुअली ऑप्शन प्राइसेस स्पाइक हो जाता है, बट you won't know whether the option prices have spiked till yesterday or whether that spike will happen throughout the day. मतलब 10 o'clock 10:50 को आरबीआई गवर्नर ने जो अनाउंस करता है उसके पहले ये ऑप्शन स्पाइक होंगे या नहीं होंगे, यू वोंट नो. बट अगर स्पाइक हो जाता है then you'd be better off taking a trade after 10 o'clock. But if at all they don't spike, then you'll be missing a lot of opportunity. इसलिए क्या करते हैं, we take a middle ground. तो एक सेंटर वाला पाथ लेते हैं एंड वी ऐड अराउंड 50% और 40% ऑफ योर क्वांटिटीज. अगर ऑप्शन प्राइसेस स्पाइक अप हो गया विदाउट ब्रेकिंग द रेंज, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. रेंज ब्रेक नहीं होना चाहिए, यहीं पे रहना चाहिए, बट सिर्फ ऑप्शन प्राइसेस स्पाइक अप होना चाहिए. अगर ऑप्शन प्राइसेस स्पाइक अप हो गया विदाउट ब्रेकिंग द रेंज, देन नो प्रॉब्लम, विल एड ऑन टू दीज ऑप्शंस बाय बाइंग द हेजेस. बट अगर ऑप्शन प्राइसेस स्पाइक अप होता ही नहीं है, then obviously we'll be sitting on a nice MTM gain and we can add on to the winners. So that would be the idea. And on Bank Nifty account, so I had sat on a 35,900 straddle, but जैसे market काफी ऊपर shoot up हो गया, I thought of sitting on a 36,000 round straddle, which is kind of advantageous. Liquidity ज़्यादा रहेगी and ज़्यादा hassle नहीं रहेगा, and markets are likely to consolidate around 36,000. At least that's my hypothesis. Alright, captured 6 plus points within 35 minutes of the action, and market is kind of testing the day's low the second time. So if at all we see a steep downward movement, then probably these puts might expand, and thinking of that, so I exited the position at 32 and 42. So decent outcome, nothing to be, decent outcome, 6 points, and we really went light on considering the fact that today was an event. But it's okay, I'll still take an entry. Maybe once I see some spike in either directions, I'll wait for that moment and then I'll enter a straddle or strangle there at some higher premiums. So that would be a better opportunity for me, because already 6 point already premium ये हो चुका है. And yeah, let's wait for it. And Bank Nifty account पे भी around Bank Nifty account पे भी we booked around 40 plus points, 42 43 points. All right, the time is 10:20 and I decided to re-enter my positions. धीरे धीरे positions build up किया, पहले 2000 quantity किया and उसके बाद hedges buy किया and फिर से 1800 quantity किया, and we are doing quite okay now. Why did I re-enter the position? Because RBI policy meet खत्म हो गया, तो nothing got changed. ठीक है, so GDP growth rate भी 9.5% पे retained है, and even the repo rates are unchanged at 4%. So it turned out to be a non-event, right? So I decided to play the markets because we are in a good range. ठीक है, कल का जो high है, it will definitely act as a resistance at least for some time. And another thing, यहाँ पे मेरा assumption क्या रहता है? Look at this. For anyone who's buying these 16,450 call options, I don't think they'll be more willing to pay more than 45 rupees. क्योंकि suppose let's say someone is willing to pay 45-46 rupees for this 16,450 call option, for them the markets have to expire at 16,500 plus. Correct? अगर आप 40 rupees या 45 rupees आप पे कर रहे हैं, तो where will be a break even? Your break even will be at 16,490 or 16,500 levels. So I have a strong reason to believe that ये 16,450 options है ना, दे वोंट सस्टेन अबो 44 रुपीज के ऊपर सस्टेन नहीं कर सकता है. दैट इज बिकॉज more people will not be willing to pay that much क्योंकि 16,500 is obviously a psychological round number, correct? And already 16,000 को इतना strongly breach कर दिया market ने, and we have seen a huge amount of rally in the last 3 sessions. So what is the probability that 16,500 will also be taken out within next 3-4 days? I think the probability is very less. I'm not saying it's impossible, but it is highly improbable. But कुछ भी हो सकता है market में. When everyone is thinking that something's not gonna happen, that's when it exactly happens. Alright guys, the time is 11:10 and काफी बड़ा fall हो गया market में. In spite of that, these puts didn't appreciate to an extent that one would expect. And now that we retraced a bit back, but मेरा position जो मैं जल्दी close कर दिया था मैंने. I closed the position at 10:26 itself. मैं इस fall के लिए मैं था ही नहीं, because जैसे downward momentum आना शुरू हो गया तो because first time it came, second time it tried, and third time when it started coming, I thought it's not a great thing to stay in this, especially given the fact that today is a Friday. And if you think in terms of the points, ठीक है, capture तो हमने 20,000 21,000 ही किया है, but if you think in terms of the points, पहले हमने जो half size पे जो हमने खेले थे, तो इन दैट वी कैप्चर्ड 6 पॉइंट्स, करेक्ट? एंड उसके बाद हमने जो बड़ा साइजिंग में जो किया है उसमें वी कैप्चर्ड अनदर 2.5 पॉइंट्स, right? So we already captured 8.5 points on a Friday, which is pretty decent. So I don't think, of course, like this can further decay. I have no doubt about that. But जितना decay मुझे मिलना चाहिए था उतना मिल गया. So why should I expose myself to the market movements, right? And अभी ये जो retracement आ रहा है, then the selling can resume because Reliance is cracking towards the downside and even HDFC is cracking towards the downside. Bank Nifty is also kind of halting near the day's low. So if at all we see a sudden downfall, then this swing is likely to be taken up today, at least post lunch. That is what the expectation is. But यहाँ पे since 200 moving average is there, we might expect some dilly-dallying around this level. So my intraday trades are pretty much done. I won't be venturing into taking any further trades today. We'll start from Monday. अगर day end के आसपास अगर कुछ positional trades अगर मिलता है तो I'll take the positional trades, else that is this is the end of my day. So 20.6 here and 3.2 here, somewhere around 24k. So 24k for the day. You guys have a good day and I'll see you guys tomorrow.